Hello and welcome to our channel Shahi Cooking. Today we will be making Gobhi Gosht, which is a cauliflower and meat curry, very well known to South Asia. There are many variations to this recipe and we hope you enjoy ours. Let's get started. The first ingredient you'll need is goat meat. What we have here is about 4 pounds. You will need 2 medium onions, one teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or any chili powder you prefer, half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You will also need 2 roughly chopped cauliflowers, 1 green chili pepper, finely chopped, 1-inch piece of chopped fresh ginger, and a handful of fresh coriander. You will also need 1 cup of tomato puree. You can take 2 medium tomatoes and puree them to get this as well. You'll need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. What we have here is canola, but you can use any cooking oil you prefer. And lastly, you'll need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started. You will start off by adding your meat to the pot. You'll add 4 cups of water. You'll add your onions. Now you will add your spices, which are the salt, red chili powder, crushed red peppers, turmeric, coriander powder, and lastly cumin seeds to the pan. You'll also add your ginger garlic paste and give it a good stir. Now you will cover it up and cook it for about an hour until your meat has tenderized and the water has evaporated completely, like so. You will then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to your pan and your tomato puree. And you're going to stir this on high heat until the oil has completely separated from the rest of the masala or curry sauce. These are the different stages we will show you here. As you can see, there's still some moisture. So you're going to still cook it until it looks like this and the oil has risen to the top. And when you stir it, there's nothing that sticks to the bottom of the pan. As you can see here, there's no moisture. At that point, you will add your cauliflower to the pan. And before you mix it completely, you're also going to add some ginger that you had cut earlier. Now you will stir it and mix it very, very well, making sure that the bottom of the masala comes to the top. Add about 1/2 cup of water. Keep in mind that the cauliflower will release its water as well while cooking. Give it a good stir. And then cover it up and let it cook for at least an hour. In between, while there's still a little bit of moisture left, you want to add your green chili peppers as well as your garam masala and ground black pepper to the pan and give it a good stir. At this point, it will take another 20 minutes or so for it to be completely cooked, and you will cover it back up. After that time has passed, you will open up your pan and notice that there's very little moisture, everything is well cooked and blended, and your dish is ready for garnishing. At this point, you will garnish with your coriander leaves, and that's it. It's ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed our variation of this recipe. If so, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Please be sure to check the description to see which brands we used. And we hope you tune in for the more recipes that are to come. Thank you. Bye.